So girls, I'm going to show you how to do an easy blow dry using the detachable rollers. So this is the handle, and then this is the barrel that you attach it onto. It's really easy to use. I'm going to use the blow dry spray because it just speeds up the hair drying. So that's what I'm going to use today. So a lot of people keep asking me why I blow dry my lashes, and I've had actually a lot of good feedback. So the thing is, I never used to blow dry my lashes, and they used to get like really, really, really greasy. So my lash lady said to me, Dani, your lashes are looking a bit greasy. And I was like, well, what should I do then, Nick? And then she said to me, wash them. So I washed my lashes with Johnson's baby shampoo. It's not a weird thing that I do. It is actually the best thing I've ever done in my life. But I didn't realise it would go absolutely everywhere. I thought it was just a normal thing that I didn't know about. So my dear friend Alex, bless him, I don't think it was meant to come out, but he does have a weird obsession with hair dryers. He doesn't have 2, he has 3, just in case one breaks. Also what he does with his hair dryers, he likes to hair dry himself. So, you know, usually kids after school, they go out, play in the park. Not Alex, no. He likes to play with hair dryers with his friends in the bedroom area. I think he still does it. All I can picture Alex doing as soon as he got at Love Island was sitting there, you know, playing with hair dryers, and he's in the bedroom and all. Like him and his mates all sitting in bed together, hair drying themselves. So, I mean, at least his mum didn't know he was getting up to no good. He was too busy, you know, flirting with an hair dryer. So I'm going to leave this now for 20 minutes to just give it that extra big bouncy blow dry, because that's something I really, really love. I think it looks really nice and it does match my head shape. Right, so what else can I do with a hairdryer? You can blow up an airbed. You can keep yourself warm. That's what Alex says. You can blow dry your hair. You can do like a sexy windswept selfie. I mean, I don't think I'd look sexy, but I think there are ways. I think I've done it before with the aircon in the car. But that should have been a secret. So now they're nice and cool. I'm just going to start taking them out now. I'm so excited to see. Oh, wow. So this is the final result. It's just nice to have a bit of a bounce. It makes me want to bounce a little bit.